Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Inakas Petunia and I'm back with a vlog. It's a vlog. I think it's the very first vlog on the channel, so yeah, welcome to my vlog. On today's video I'm gonna be going out for lunch with some friends, so come along with me, join us. I don't know if I'll vlog much when we get to the venue, but yeah, you'll see what will be happening, whatever. Maybe I'll do a bit of snippets of all that will be happening, but yeah, so join me and then we'll show you everything. Oh yeah, beautiful. Hi Takani, how are you? Hi Takani. I'm beautiful in yourself. I'm good, thank you. Hi, Jen. How am I?
How are you, baby girl?
I'm very beautiful.
Yeah! Nicole,
It's so beautiful.
Hi, Taki.
Hey, Jen. Hi. Nikubona cafe ka. Once na Instagram.
Joanne, you are a sadist. You're the one that came up with that punishment.
Yeah, Tanzalam.
Tanzalam masculine. Tanzalam masculine. What about the condition though? Yeah, bra. Yes.
Nonhlanhla,
Yes.
Nzalama, Sikhulile, Trevor, Lerato, Matimu.
Ooh. Okay, Mpho, Nhlanhla, Nzalama, Sikhulile, Trevor. Matimu, Sakane.
Okay.
Lerato.
Mpho, Nhlanhla, Nzalama, Sikhulile, Trev, Lerato, Matimu, Joanne, Tsakani.
Kuna Mphanderi, kuna Nhlahla, kuna Nzalama, and then kuna Sikhulile, kuna Trevor, kuna Lerato, kuna Matimu, kuna Tsakani, kuna Joanne.
Matimu win.
Wait. Andrew Fly, Lanzelisa. Wait, Tsakani, loko kuri Tsakani, Matimu.
Relax. Take your time. It's okay. Come on, say something. It's okay. Yellow, brah. Let's go. Yellow, yeah. The red one. Let's see the red one. So I pull this one out. Yeah, and you hint the yellow one. Let's go. Go. Okay. Guys.
The pill you use to cure headache. No, that one.
Teespring.
That's the one.
Okay.
Oh shit. A country that's similar to Iraq.
Egypt.
No. Yes. Where the movies come out.
Hollywood.
They call it the other one.
Hollywood.
It's like
Las Vegas.
Time's up.
What is it?
when you nice. When you taste like
Sour and sweet.
Yes.
no,
When you are feeling sorry if you want people to feel sorry for you, can you party?
no.
Say right.
She said it already.
Yes. Yeah.
You get the song,
No,
We did
Okay, Say mine.
3 to the 5.
5 to the 7. 4.
It's him.
It's you.
You are for us.
I'm 3. Yeah, it's him.
Who's the master? Master to the 10. 10 to the Jackie.
Take it to the 8.
8 to the...
Nah, that's good enough time. I don't think it goes out.
Who's the master? Master to the 10.
10 to the 1. 1 to the 11.
11 to the 3. 3 to the 5. Master to the 9. 9 to the Mackie. Jackie. Who's the master? Master to the 10. 10 to the 1.
1 to the 3.
3 to the 4.
4 to the 7.
7 to the 9. 9 to the 5.
5 to the 1.
1 to the 5.
Perfect game.
That's so soon, no?
I'm still 11.
19. You guys
Alright, let's go. Who's the master? Come on.
Who's the master? Master to the 11.
11 to the 12.
Okay, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of my vlog. Today I'm coming to you from the Lisbon Falls. So we are here just to check out the falls and enjoy nature. If you're new here, my name is Inacast. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you will stay and I hope you like it here, and then you'll come back for more videos. So come with me on this journey. It's a bit bumpy, and yeah, so let's go and check out the falls. Hey guys, it's been quite a journey. We are almost there, and I can see from here it was worth it. It's really beautiful, very satisfying to watch. The water is very relaxing. I'm tired, but it was worth the hike because wow, look at that. Who wouldn't like that? Huh? Tell me if you wouldn't like this if you were to come here. I don't think there's anyone who would. Who wouldn't? I mean, very beautiful, stunning. It's so nice to watch. I see my sister over there and a white t-shirt right there. I'm just gonna catch up to her. Let's just do that. The journey continues to where it's even more nicer to watch. So Let's get there. Again, these are the Lisbon Falls. I will link the location in the description. So if you want to check it out, I'll just link it down for you so you can visit. This is how beautiful my province is. Mpumalanga. This is where we're at. Come check it out. You do not have to pay a lot of money to be here. That's how nice it is. Woo. Be warned, there's gonna be a lot of ups and downs. Be ready when you come here. Woo-wee. I am so tired. Really tired. But I'm loving it here. I could come here every day. Every day I could come here. But nah. I doubt if that's gonna happen. But yeah, once in a while for sure. Definitely. Woo! Woo! That was a risk. I just jumped up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. What a wow. Sorry. Oh my God. You know, when you see such places and such things, you see God. You know that there's a God, there's a creator. Oh gosh. Nice stuff. Oh man. So chill down here. Woo. Can you listen to that sound? Can you listen to that sound? So gorgeous. See, it was worth the hike. Very much worth it. I'm sorry, it might seem a bit blurry because the water is splashing to me. It's more like rainy type of vibe. Obviously the falls. But yeah, this is it. It's been worth it, guys. So we can't stay here the whole day. We just have to go. But hey, if it was possible, I would definitely stay here as long as I can. But yeah, we have to go now. So now it's back to the hike. It's gonna be a little bit more challenging now because we're going up. So it's gonna be quite a hike. So yeah, I'll see you when we get up later. Ciao. It's your girl going back up. She's tired, but she's happy and she's glad she did it. So yeah, this is it. Come check this place out if you can. If you have the time, you can just come check this place out. It's very nice. very relaxing. I can never I mean, in this video you can't see enough, so definitely you just have to come see it yourself. So yeah, let's just do that. And guys, if you decide to ever come here, I would like to know how it will be for you, or how the experience was for you. And if you've been here, how was the experience? Because for me it was amazing, it was great. I only see God and his creations. So yeah, this is it. I'll see you guys later. Let me just concentrate, because yeah, there's so many rocks down here. If you don't focus, you might find yourself down on the ground. So yeah, I will see you guys when we get back up. Ciao. Enjoyed going down there. What I saw there was really nice. So yeah, but we're back at the top, so very nice. I'll see you on our next destination. So we have reached our second destination. Hi guys, we have reached our second destination. So now we're gonna see the potholes, and yeah, just come with me. I'll show you everything. It's my first time here. I've never been here before, so it's my very first time. I'm excited to see what's up. I've seen them in the pictures and everything. So yeah, I just want to check out what's up, what's good, what's happening. So yeah, I'll take you with me, and yeah, let's run along to see what's happening. We are here. How gorgeous is this place? Look at all that. Look at nature. Look at God's creation. How gorgeous is that? Amazing. I know. It's really satisfying to watch. It's so calming here. It's so relaxing. Again, if you've never been, whenever you get a chance, please check out this place, because wow, this is really great. I really am enjoying it here. Look at all that and listen to the sound. The sound of waterfalls. Amazing. This is how gorgeous Mpumalanga is, and these are not the only places. There's so many places. There's so many things to do when you're out here for a little less amount. Look at all that. Look at all that. Nice thing about it, it's not even packed. There are a lot of people, but it's not like really packed. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna link everything down in the description box of where is this place, the location, and all that stuff. So be in the lookout for that if you wanna visit the place. And if you have more questions, you can also comment in the comment section down below, and then I'll explain all that you need to know about this place. So yeah, continue to watch to see more stuff. I will see you guys at the end of today. So yeah, continue to enjoy. Hey guys, so we have reached another destination. Right now we are at the 3 Rondavels, so we're about to check it out. It's really nice as well. I've been here before, but I always enjoy coming back here, so yeah, I will take you with me. I'm gonna show you everything that we're gonna be checking out, all the Rondavels and everything, the beauty of nature. So definitely come with me. If you're new here, it's your girl Inacast. Yeah, this is actually my first vlog, like my official vlog on this channel, so I hope you're enjoying the vlogs, you're enjoying the views, you're enjoying everything that I'm checking out, everything, all of those things. So yeah, if you're new, please do subscribe if you like it here. If you've been here, thank you so much for coming back, and yeah, let's go and check out all the beauty of nature. Yeah, so this is the view at the moment. This is what I'm looking at. I'm still in the car. I'm just gonna get out of here and then I'll take you with me all the way. So yeah, let's get going. We are on it, guys. We are on it. All this beauty. All this beauty. Right here. All of that. How gorgeous is that? How gorgeous is that? I mean, those are the Rondavels over there. There's 1, 2, and a 3. That's why it's called the 3 Rondavels. Pretty, I know. I'll show it to you proper when we get to the other side. Right here. See? There, and that one. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I think we've seen enough for the Rondavels, so we are done now. going back. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed watching all this view from up here, and maybe one day you will also decide to come and enjoy it too, and I'd like to know how it is for you, the experience and everything. But yeah, for me, for today, I'm done. Maybe I'll come back some other time, definitely, because I never get tired of watching all that, because wow, that's very much a pretty beautiful nature god type of experience. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, or I'll see you guys tomorrow or the next day. I don't know when exactly, but that's for sure, I will see you soon. So yeah, for today, for this video, this is the end. So let's go back home. So yeah, I'll see you. Bye.